Patina Party pre-party. A couple things have showed up already. We'll take a look around. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. And don't forget, there'll be a video tomorrow of the Patina Party at Maryland International Raceway. So that's going to be off the hook as usual. That's square body long bed. That's nice. Got one of the mid-60s Chevy trucks on the ground there. There's square body short bed. Hey, look. There's an airport over to the left there. It's a nice truck. Really nice F-250. I don't see much patina on that. A little patina on the hood there. Okay. Nice truck there. Frank's 49 Ford. Seen that plenty of times. Jaguar. There's not a spot of patina on that. That's fine. Here's a Walters Shelby truck. Look at that. Bump side Ford. Four-wheel drive. C10. 71, it says on the tag. It's another square body on the ground. Pulls Ford truck. And their Chevy truck. Short box. I think that's the one with the Ford motor in it. Got that. OBS. The other square body. Square body step side. We got a couple of regular customers here. They're at the Green Turtle, Wildwood, California, Maryland. Let's go see what else we can find. Audi RS. Oh. Got a nice vibe going on there, doesn't it? Nice. It's got the split bumper there. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. Look at that. Chevrolet. Nice. Yes, Falcon. Oh, what a great car.
I can't get long tooth headers for it. Oh. The C6 with the C6
small block Ford. Yeah.
How you doing?
Hi, how you doing?
Good. With the C6 transmission, they don't make a header, long tooth header for this.
Seen this Chevy truck before.
I could have got something custom.
Gold metallic.
This has got a little short.
Dave 69 Camaro. All kinds of big block 502 in there. There's Tim's 55 Ford on the floor. A Suburban. That's neat. Another square body, short box, cow hood on there. That's looking nice. Nice cool evening out here. OBS. So check it out, they're raffling off a vintage refrigerator. Proceeds go to the Charlotte Hall Veterans Home. So check them out. We'll be selling tickets at the show tomorrow. Pick up a ticket, maybe we'll win a vintage fridge. '46 Mopar Street Rod. There's a Mustang sneaking in up there. We'll catch him in a moment whenever he parks. Oh, look, he's coming right into the row. It's Aubrey's shoebox. Box body sounding really good there. There's Rustomod's chassis swap, C60. Nice. Check out this dart. These next couple of cars, I don't have much patina to them at all. Here's Tim's 57 sedan delivery. That's neat. Small block stick. Here's our Pontiac G8 GT. Some patina there. Some there. Nice. I like the silver on this Z28. It's like 79-ish, I think. Not sure. Got a Vega here with tubs and a cage. Look at this guy, parked crooked here. Here's Billy's 64 Biscayne. Got all the stickers on the window. XL coil housing cup holders there. Here we go. I'll get it from the other side. Maybe the shadows won't be so bad. There you go. Perfect stance there.